Hey everybody, I got a nice new product here to show you. Well, it's new to me, it might not be new to you, but it's some sanding blocks that are real sweet. I like them. They're by Soft Sanders. Let's take a look at them. These are the Soft Sanders. They're awesome. As you can see, they come in different shapes, but not just that, but different lengths. These are, I believe these are like 6-inch, maybe 5-inch sanding blocks. These are the 8-inch, but they also have 11 and 16, which I believe these are the 16-inch blocks. This one's a double-sided block, but that's not the best thing. As you can see, they also have their own sandpaper. Again, still not the best thing. Wet sandpaper. Now this is the best thing. This is a adhesive back wet sandpaper. You can literally put this in a bucket of water and put it on the block while it's underwater. That's how awesome this adhesive back wet sandpaper is. No more taking your hand and pinching and, you know, just literally hand cramping. Because that right there, that hurts my hand just doing it. And you know how bad it is to sit there like that, you know, forever and hand sand with wet sandpaper. Kills it. But another awesome thing, you can take the sandpaper, and like on my car, you can see how round it is. Alright? But you can put the sandpaper on there, then slowly adhere the block to it, and the block will form close to the shape, if not the exact shape. Now what does that mean? That means this whole side, which is all the same round, you have made with the block. So all the way down, you can sand it perfectly. Now another thing about these blocks is there's no hard edges on the, you know, on basically I think all the blocks there's no hard edges. So you don't have to cross sand. You can go straight back and forth. That's how nice they are. Now, I'm going to be trying these out here in a second, which I've already tried them off camera. But as you can even see in the picture, you can bend it to shapes. Now, it does have the texture of a pole floaty, but it's a lot stiffer. Alright, and you can see in this video, Kevin Tate's awesome. He's using a real long one. And, you know, definitely, as you can see on the curves, it will do the curves themselves. So these are going to be like invaluable if you have something with crazy shapes. Like right here, you can see the crazy, just the flare out and then the flat again. So you'll have to have a rounded sanding block for that. These edges, you'll find, let's see here, I'm pretty sure there's one that'll fit just nice for them edges. Yeah, that top one will work great on them edges. This one will work even better for them edges, the shapes. That's what it's all about. Shapes. The shapes are what you need. But we'll be using it to sand the sub box here in a minute and check it out, see how it feels. But as far as I can tell right now, which I said I've already used them, they work phenomenal. So check out Soft Sanders. You're gonna love it, especially this. That right there, hand saver. Carpal tunnel, that's the worst enemy of a body guy. So check them out. I'll show you how they work here in a second, then you'll see. Alright, so we're going to try to knock it down now with some 120. See how it comes off. Now this is a glaze, not a filler. I found out. Comes off pretty easy. I was afraid that because you know how shiny it was, it would clog up the sandpaper. It's not. It's doing real well. These blocks are fantastic. Knocks down a lot faster than the Evercoat polyester putty I used. I did not like it. It turned to stone. But this works pretty good. Yep. No clog, sand quick. Even at 120 it is butter smooth. Yeah, it feels fantastic. So, all in all, I'd say it works great. These sanding blocks work great. What's next? I'm going to continue sanding this. I'm going to try out some other new products and let's see what we can get going here. But as for these two, they're fantastic. Quick cut putty, sorry. That is the Smart Technologies putty, and it works great. This is the Soft Sanders ink sanding blocks, and they work fantastic. So, get some of that. Get some of that putty. Go out there and sling it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time with some other new interesting tools and techniques, new products, and the next big build, hopefully. Thanks for watching.